Comment ça va? Super excited to meet you here for this Unité numéro 2. Congratulations for reaching this far. Just to briefly introduce this new unit, we are going to learn how to talk about where you live, what you like or dislike, and to talk about your family. All right? We talked a bit about what you like or dislike in the first unit, but here we're going to see more verbs, and more importantly, we're going to see also how to make negative sentences to say that you dislike something. This will open a whole new range of possibilities for you to express yourselves. On top of this, une, des, which will be a new kind of article that you will use all the time from now on. This will be the big topic of chapitre numéro 1, and a huge topic in this unit, mon, ma, mes, etc. A lot of words that we use to express possession in French, to say that we have something, my, yours, theirs, his thing, etc. We have a lot of words for this, so this will be a big topic. In terms of vocabulary, we're going to see a lot of vocabulary about la ville, le quartier, so the city, the neighborhood, la famille, et les métiers. All right, it's going to be very exciting, and what's going to be even more exciting is that finally, like I have introduced in the previous unit, there will be more and more writing, production écrite exercises for you to practice the writings, more cultural information about France, and obviously a lot of practice. So if you're ready, I hope that you are excited. Let's go.